Before the ban on service lifted in 2010, more than 35,000 LGBTQ+ military veterans left the service with so-called bad paper discharges. Right now, there's 5 named plaintiffs in the suit, which seeks to force the Pentagon to proactively amend their discharges. Attorney Jocelyn Larkin says the judge's ruling indicates that the court might agree that it should include all the affected veterans.
We were not talking about any single individual and what happened to them in the corrections process, but rather a decision that was made at the time that Don't Ask, Don't Tell was repealed, not to proactively and systematically correct people's discharge documents. And that's really the heart of the case.
The judge denied the Pentagon's motion to dismiss the case. The government argued too much time has passed and that veterans are already able to have their discharge statuses changed. Melissa Johnson is an Air Force veteran and attorney in San Diego. She was forced out of the service in the early 1980s due to her sexual orientation. She says she never bothered to change her paperwork.
The process is hard. It's difficult. It's painful. I mean, I got involuntarily discharged 41 years ago, and I still can't talk about it without getting emotional.
Johnson isn't currently involved in the lawsuit, but hopes it will help her and thousands of affected veterans. Larkin says it's past time for the military to do the right thing.
And I think it is really important because it's the final piece of the government taking responsibility for what was a terrible injustice that hurt so many people over their lifetimes.
The suit will continue, and attorneys for the veterans say the next step will be to ask the suit be granted class action status. Andrew Dyer, KPBS News.